the future nerf, guys. Here we're gonna do now some dangerous tricks. We're gonna do downhills using the penboard. So we're gonna start here now. So divide! Go! So let's divide for kids. And hurry. We're bending now. Oh, serious. Medyo na ako. Yan. Let's go. Wait! Oh my god. That was amazing. Our return. Now we're back again. So now we're back again. And we're gonna do some oh my god! Oh. That's our new guy. That's our members. We got a fake snake. Can I see? Fake snake. I'm so tired. Can we have a rest? Can we get some rest? Oh my god. So very oh, I'm so tired. It's so very hard to download of this. It's so very hot this at here Philippines. Whew. Hello. Again? Hello. He said hello. It's like a hello card. Like a hello. If you change the hello card, if you return it, it's gonna be Dracula. Hello card make Dracula. Oh. So please subscribe channel and like us. This is our video. Be the skateboard.